Top 5 Healthy Breakfast Foods to Start Your Day Right. Good morning, everyone. As the saying goes, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's true. Starting your day off with the right nutrients can set the tone for the rest of your day. Whether you're rushing out the door for work or school, or taking your time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast, it's important to choose the right foods to fuel your body and mind. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best foods for a hearty and healthy breakfast, to help you make the most of your morning meal. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Oats are a popular breakfast staple, and for a good reason. They're packed with essential nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. First and foremost, oats are rich in fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which aids in digestion and helps keep you full until lunchtime. The fiber in oats also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. In addition to fiber, oats are also a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. This makes them an ideal breakfast option for athletes or anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Oats also contain complex carbohydrates, which are slow digesting and provide a sustained release of energy, keeping you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. But that's not all. Oats are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B1, magnesium, and phosphorus, which all play vital roles in maintaining optimal health. With so many health benefits, it's no wonder oats are a breakfast favorite around the world. Whether you enjoy them as oatmeal, granola, or in a smoothie, oats are a great way to start your day off on the right foot. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food that make an excellent addition to any breakfast. They are a rich source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids that your body needs to function at its best. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in building and repairing muscle tissue, maintaining healthy hair and skin, and regulating numerous bodily functions. In addition to protein, eggs are also high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats have been shown to have numerous health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and promoting brain function. The fat in eggs also helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, making them an excellent choice for breakfast. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium, all of which play vital roles in maintaining optimal health. And contrary to popular belief, eating eggs regularly doesn't increase your risk of heart disease or high cholesterol levels. One of the great things about eggs is their versatility. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or fried, and they can be combined with a variety of other breakfast foods, such as toast, vegetables, or cheese. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast on the go or a leisurely brunch option, eggs are a nutritious and delicious choice that will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Fruits are an essential component of a healthy breakfast, as they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're also low in calories and high in water content, which makes them a great option for anyone looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Fruits are also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and increase your risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Eating a diet rich in fruits can help to reduce your risk of these diseases and keep you healthy. One of the great things about fruits is their versatility. They can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or dried, and can be added to a variety of breakfast foods. For example, you can add fresh berries or sliced bananas to your cereal or yogurt, or make a smoothie with your favorite fruits and vegetables. In addition to their nutritional benefits, fruits are also delicious and can add a natural sweetness to your breakfast without the need for added sugars. So the next time you're looking for a healthy breakfast option, consider adding some fresh or frozen fruits to your meal. Your body will thank you. Yogurt is a nutritious and delicious breakfast food that provides numerous health benefits. It's rich in protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, as well as maintaining a healthy metabolism. It's also an excellent source of beneficial bacteria known as probiotics, which help to promote digestive health and boost your immune system. The probiotics in yogurt help to balance the bacteria in your gut, which can improve digestion and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal problems such as bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. Yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. One of the great things about yogurt is its versatility. It can be enjoyed on its own, or combined with a variety of other breakfast foods, such as fresh or frozen fruits, nuts, or whole grain cereals. Adding fruits or whole grain cereals to your yogurt not only provides additional nutrients and fiber, but it also adds texture and flavor to your breakfast. When choosing yogurt, opt for varieties that are low in added sugars and high in protein and probiotics. Greek yogurt, in particular, is an excellent choice, as it's higher in protein than regular yogurt and has a thicker, creamier texture. Nuts and seeds are a great addition to your breakfast, as they're packed with essential nutrients that can help to keep you healthy and satisfied. They're a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which are all important for maintaining optimal health and wellness. Nuts and seeds are also rich in micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. These nutrients are essential for many bodily functions, including immune system function, bone health, and energy metabolism. One of the great things about nuts and seeds is their versatility. They can be added to a variety of breakfast foods, such as cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. Adding nuts or seeds to your breakfast not only provides additional nutrients, but it also adds texture and flavor to your meal. Some of the best nuts and seeds to add to your breakfast include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Almonds and walnuts are a great source of protein and healthy fats, while chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to lower your risk of heart disease. When adding nuts and seeds to your breakfast, it's important to watch your portion sizes, as they're also high in calories. A small handful or a tablespoon or two is generally a good amount to add to your breakfast. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 best breakfast foods. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and choosing the right foods can help you start your day off on the right foot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. And as always, we would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which of these breakfast foods is your favorite, or if you have any other healthy breakfast suggestions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.